Let's generate multiple images with a single command. Generate 10 design element images suitable for a party. Using the Z-Image Turbo model, it cost about 7 cents. Soon, the generated image list will appear in URL format. If you want to batch download those images, just ask it to create a BAT file for bulk downloading and run it. The images are now nicely organized in the folder. Now you can generate images in Claude and even videos. 2. With Claude Desktop and Claude Code, large-scale media processing is now possible. Today, I'll walk you through how it works with a short tutorial. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. You can think of it as a plugin system that adds new capabilities to Claude. For example, it can give Claude access to the file system, connect to databases, generate PowerPoint files, or even control Figma projects all through MCPs. Once an MCP is added, Claude can autonomously use these powerful tools to accomplish whatever task you give it. And today, I'll be introducing one specific MCP, the Myrt MCP, which lets Claude generate images and videos. Myrt is an image, video, and other media generation platform already used by many AI creators. Almost all the top-ranking models on the leaderboard are available for immediate use. And with web and app integration, you can easily share files. A particularly great advantage of Myrt is that it provides its own MCP server, no joke. You can finish the setup in just 1 minute. First, go to Myrt and sign up. Then navigate to Tools and enter the MCP page. Next, in the installation guide, click on Claude Desktop and follow the instructions for your current operating system. In my case, since I'm using Windows, I first open File Explorer and navigate to App Data. Then I go into the Claude folder and look for the Claude Desktop config JSON file. If it doesn't exist, create a new one. Once created, open the file with Notepad and copy-paste the text from the box below exactly as shown. At this point, you need to specify your API key. You can get your API key by clicking Generate New Key just above. The default models for Myrt MCP are set to Z-Image Turbo for images and Cadence, OneLight for videos. These models provide cost-effective results suitable for most use cases. If you'd like to use models like Nano Banana or VO 3.1 as your default, you can set your preferred model in the IN field as shown below. You can view the available models and their IDs by expanding the accordion section just below. Now, save the file and restart Claude Desktop and you're all set. Let's see if it's properly connected. Show me the list of available image models. As you can see, Claude recognizes the MCP well like this. The Myrt MCP currently supports not only image and video processing, but also background removal and photo enhancement, with many more useful features planned to be added soon. First, as a test, let's generate multiple images with a single command. Generate 10 design element images suitable for a party. Using the Z-Image Turbo model, it cost about 7 cents. Soon, the generated image list will appear in URL format. If you want to batch download those images, just ask it to create a BAT file for bulk downloading and run it. The images are now nicely organized in the folder. This time, let's batch process background removal for these images. You could ask it to handle the batch processing using the image URLs we just generated, but there may be cases where you want to batch process local images on your computer. In that case, you just need to have the file system MCP installed. Then, simply provide the folder path where your images are stored, and Claude will handle everything automatically. This time, I asked it to directly create a BAT file for downloading the images. The results turned out great. After running the BAT file, a folder was created with all the background removed images neatly organized. Today, we learned how to generate images and videos in Claude. I've included the site links in the video description, so please check them out. If you have ideas for using this amazing tool, please share them in the comments. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.